Did you notice our photographer, Tim, he panned up to the ceiling there during Core's live shot just to confirm no snow inside the convention center. It is warm and dry in there.
That is not in Steve's forecast. Not inside.
Like Cora was saying, a warm 70 degrees in there this weekend. Boy, but knock about 50 degrees off of that. And that's what we're looking at. This is going to be a big storm. We've been talking about it all week. This winter storm that's on the way, beginning later today. Our forecast confidence is now very high. Models have come into final agreement, and we've narrowed down the forecast. I'm going to give it to you right now. Frigid Arctic air, that arrives tonight. So the cold air into the metro area first, then a snow and ice storm tomorrow, bitter wind chill, strong east winds, 50 miles per hour in the metro area, and a freezing rain event. That looks likely for Salem down to Eugene and in the valley, and then also northern Oregon coast. We'll get to that in a minute. Mountain Meadows, 21 degrees, lots of snow there, 40 degrees in Portland. That's going to be the warmest temperature we're going to see now for at least the next 4 or 5, maybe even 6 days in the metro area. We'll be below freezing for the majority of that, and it begins later this afternoon. Satellite and radar this morning shows mostly dry along the coast, but in the valley there's a few scattered showers, and those are falling as snow up above about 1,000 feet. Little rain mixed with snow this morning, even down on the valley floor, but that is not the main event. That right there is the main event. This is a storm developing off the coast, just taking shape right now, and it is going to beeline straight towards about Newport to Lincoln City, the center of the low, as it moves across the metro area. A lot of cold Arctic air rushes out of the Columbia River Gorge, and that, folks, is our classic setup for a snowstorm in Portland. Current conditions 40 right now, Portland, 40s along the coast. But notice Pendleton now, Arctic air there, 10 degrees. The Dow's 24. Watch those temperatures this morning. They'll continue to go down. Look at this wind gust forecast for the Portland metro area on Saturday. Gust above 50 miles per hour all day, blowing snow. And notice the wind gust forecast on a wider view. Winds gusting maybe 45 to 50, 55 miles per hour, even on the coast from the east. That's bitter cold air getting all the way out to the beaches there as well before it finally backs off once we get to Sunday. Here's another look at that wind chill forecast. I think this is going to be a big story as well. We're used to snowstorms in the Pacific Northwest, but we're not used to significant wind chill, and it begins tonight. Here's 9:30 on Friday, 3 degrees in Portland, strong east wind, and it just goes down from there. Here's 11:30 on your Saturday as the snow continues. And boy, it does not come back up above zero until later tomorrow night or early on your Sunday. That's the wind chill now. Here's our future cast. Temperatures in the 30s right now. Here's 9 a.m., but they cool as the day goes along. But notice most of the snow and or any freezing rain stays south of the area today. It's tonight and overnight. It lifts back up from the southwest. Here's 7 a.m. Saturday. And with, look at 15 degrees in Portland, temperatures in the 20 in the valley, freezing rain in the pink, snow over the Portland area, 11 a.m. on your Saturday. We walk you through your afternoon hours. Snow continues moderate to heavy at times, all the way up to Longview, temperatures in the teens, and a significant ice storm on the way for the valley. And then it starts to back off as we get overnight Saturday into Sunday, but the temperatures remain bitter cold. Okay, snow accumulation. Snow forecast models finally coming into some level of agreement. No snow today. It's all focused on Saturday morning and afternoon. The European model, 6.5 inches, up to a foot on the GFS. That's the American model. 2 additional models. You take an average of all those, that's a good 6 to 7 inches across the metro area. I have a feeling from Portland north into Clark and Cowlitz County is where we will see the highest snowfall amounts from this system. Ice accumulation. This is going to be significant south of Portland from about Woodburn down to Corvallis and Eugene, including the northern Oregon beaches up to, these are ice accumulation amounts. 1/2 inch of ice in Salem, that's significant. Corvallis, almost 1 inch of ice accumulation. I suspect there will be power outages for maybe a couple of days, so be careful out there and prepare now. So temperatures fall this afternoon, 39 for a high, that's in the morning, teens overnight. There's our snow and ice storm on your Saturday. Stay indoors, stay inside, strong east wind through the gorge. We dry it out on Sunday. Martin Luther King Day looks dry and cold, and rain and snow showers continue. Notice those high temperatures do not come up above freezing again until we get to early next week.